Hi guys, welcome to my fragrance channel. What's new everyone? I hope you are doing very well, and I want to do an unboxing video of this fragrance. For me, this fragrance looks very mysterious, and for that reason I would like to unbox it and just to give you my first impressions. I already unboxed this Royal Blends from Lattafa, and it's actually a wonderful perfume. Royal Blends. It has like a coconutty type of smell that it's actually quite fascinating and quite feminine. So, how to say? Recently, I did this haul. I bought 16 perfumes of Ardal, Zafran, and Lattafa as well, and I really liked them. Some of them more, some of them less. So I'm not sure about that one, guys. But first of all, I would like to welcome you guys into my fragrance channel, and I really appreciate all of you here. And you can leave me your opinions below the comments, like about perfumes, and I will definitely give you an answer there. So I really like Lattafa perfumes. I discovered them because when I started my fragrance journey with Zara perfumes, after pandemic, I couldn't buy it anymore, Zara perfumes, because the website was kind of not available, many perfumes there. So I started to look, what else can I buy? And I discovered that you can buy Lattafa perfumes and Ardal Zafran perfumes on Amazon, and not from all suppliers there, but depending on your country, you can actually purchase, those perfumes. And it's not very expensive. Like this one was costing in between of like 14 or 13 pounds, I don't remember exactly there, maybe a little bit more. So Velvet Oud, I don't have notes, I don't have anything, but I will unbox for you guys, and let's see. For me, what I remember, the bottle looked pretty nice there, the bottle, so the packaging as well. I think more you get reviews from males, but that's supposed to be unisex. Although one time I made a mistake, I bought Lattafa Jazzy, it was saying it's unisex on Amazon, but actually one subscriber told me that it's for male, was written in Arabic somewhere that it's for male, so I don't know how can it say that it's unisex, if it's written on the box, on the bottle that it's for male. But this one, I don't know, I think it's unisex, guys, so I will be opening it for you. Velvet Oud. I will discover later on, what type of dupe is this and what is this all about, So the box looks like for male, Let's just kind of open it right now. So far, my favorite perfumes from Lattafa are Ragba, also Anna Abiat Rouge, that Rouge perfume, Duco Baccarat Rouge. And then I like Ardal Safran, Emarat, Emarat Pussy, that perfume. Also, I like so many Oud Mood, I like Oud Mood. I like Royal Blends as well. And so many others, guys. As you can see, look at this beautiful box. Isn't it great? Like, it's actually pretty amazing, I would say. And we can actually unbox this perfume right now. So velvety box. So here it is. Like, it really looks a little bit manly to me. So we can open it, and the cap immediately kind of didn't look as if it's standing there correctly, but it doesn't really matter, So we can basically have a look at my perfume right now. So if perfume is strong, normally I'm supposed to feel it right away from the cap, but this time I don't feel anything, guys. I don't feel anything, so that means we will need to spray it on. Guys. So let's see. Reminds me slightly of Oud Mood, the beginning of it. Reminds me of Oud Mood, but slightly kind of sharper. So far, like I could feel only the alcohol, guys. Slightly sharp, acidic, sharp and acidic. Not as sweet as Oud Mood, but there is something in there, basically. A little bit, slightly manly, lacking of sweetness in order to be female perfume. Maybe, I don't know, I will see those notes another time, guys, but maybe there is some kind of leather. I also have Leather by Lattafa, that another perfume, and I haven't opened it, so I hope it's not going to be like that. So far, it seems like perfume that slightly lacks versatility to use it in any occasion. I might need to think about when I would use it because it lacks femininity, in the perfume. Lacks femininity in the perfume, but that's only my first impressions because sometimes my first impressions fails very often. So, I think I might need to discover. I think other people's first impressions were, slightly more emotional than mine. The reason why, maybe because that bottle is so cute and people are so excited about the bottle. Oh, I haven't even took it off from the box. Like sharp type of, maybe a little bit of leather. It's like, imagine Oud Mood but get rid of sweetness. So that means that sweetness is very pleasant, that sweetness. And if you get rid of it, that means you are left with only sharpness and acidity and peppery type of feeling, which is only perhaps for man, But guys, give me some time, I will discover this perfume a little bit more. It's definitely not sweet. I think I definitely prefer royal blends and some, ragba, either ambery or sweeter perfumes like Anna Beat Rouge. This one lacks femininity. It's maybe like leather, that have leather that is not sweet at all, it's a little bit sharp. So I hope my another perfume, Leather, by Lattafa, will not be like that, because then I would have too many perfumes that I might not be able to wear as often. So guys, I will finish the video. I would like to show you, again, the beautiful box and everything. I will come back to you another time with updates, on everything, and keep basically subscribe to this channel, so you can see more reviews of Lattafa and Middle Eastern perfumes, because I will be doing them pretty often. Let's see if it's changed. Basically, it's very linear, not sweet, leather type of scent, and with some sharpness that is not considered as feminine, in my opinion. I will come back to you another time. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful day, and see you soon, guys. Bye bye.